Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello my students, how are you today? Are you fine? Alhamdulillah. Okay, today we have English for the second to fifth grade, first term. Our lesson is Unit 2, Things We Wear Phonics Practice, page 89. My name is Badr Swedan, with me teacher Fawaz Al-Aqil. Okay, what you will learn today? You will learn how to read the letters U to Z within words and write the letters U to Z within words, inside the words. Okay, but before we start, let's make a revision for the last letters. Okay, now we have handwriting practice. Hand, what does mean hand? Yes, this is a hand. Handwriting. So you will write handwriting phonics keywords. Okay, first of all, read and say, we have this thing. Okay, we have eggs, and around the eggs we have the house of the bird. What is this? Starts with the letter N. It's what? Nest. Excellent. So we have nest. Okay, so we have nest. This is the house of the bird. Okay, so now we have trace and copy. Trace and copy. First of all, we have N at the beginning of the sentence. Let's trace the letter N here. Okay, so we have N, E, S, then we have T. Okay, so T starts from line number 1 up to line number 3. Again, so we have N, E, S, then we have T. Okay, nest. Let's write it 2 more times. N, E, S, then we have T. Okay, for last time, nest. So, the letter N, I say it, I pronounce it as N. So, N, I pronounce as N, like in nest. Excellent. After N, we have the letter O. Okay, now, can you tell me what is this animal inside the water, under the sea? Yes, this is an octopus. Excellent. So we have octopus. Octopus starts with the letter O. Okay, and I say it, I pronounce as octopus. Excellent. Now, let's trace, then write the word octopus. So we have O, C, T, start from number 1 to number 3, O again, P, U, then we have S. Okay, all the letters start from number 2 to 3 except for T and P. T starts from number 1 to number 3, and P starts from 2 to 4. Excellent. Let's write it again. So, O, C, T, O, P, U, then we have S. Okay, and notice here, the letter C here, I say it, I pronounce it as K. Okay, so octopus. Excellent. Again, we have O, C, T, O, P, U, then S. So, octopus. Say it with me. Octopus. Excellent. Okay. Now, after P, we have, yes, O, P. Yes, excellent. So, can you tell me what is this bird? Yes, we have a bird here. Yes, this is parrot. Say it with me. Parrot. So, the letter P here is different than B. We have B and we have P. This is P. Okay, so we have parrot. Excellent. Okay, now let's trace the word parrot. Okay, so starting from the letter P, from line number 2 up to line number 4. P, A, double R, O, then T. Okay, now let's write it here. So P, A, you can write the letter A as two ways. You can write it like this or like this. Both are correct. So P-A-R-R-O, then we have T, and T starts from line number 1 up to line number 3. Again, P-A-R-R-O, then we have T. So it's a parrot. Parrot. Say it with me. Parrot. Excellent. Okay. Now we have after P the letter Q. Okay. Can you tell me what is this when you use it to cover your body? Yes, this is a quilt. Excellent. So we have a quilt. Quilt. Okay. So we have the letter Q here, but we pronounce as quilt. Quilt. Excellent. Okay. Now let's trace. Now we have the letter Q, but it's what? The opposite of P. So P on the right side and Q on the left side. Okay, so we write it like C like this and go down up to line number 4. This is Q in small form. So after that we have U, I, L, then T. Okay, and notice here L and T the same length from line number 1 up to line number 3. So this is Q, quilt. Let's write it here. Q. Then we have U. Okay. And after that we have I, L, then T. Quilt. Okay. And you can write the letter Q like this, or you can put a small line at the end of the line here. Okay, so you can put this, or you can don't add this line. So quilt again. Q, U, I, L, then T. Quilt. Okay, so let's say it together. Quilt, quilt, quilt. Yes, excellent. Okay. Now, after that, we have this animal and starts with R. Okay, can you tell me what is this animal? Rabbit. Excellent. So we have rabbit, rabbit. So the letter R here, we pronounce as R, but inside the word, we say it as rabbit, rabbit. Say it with me. Rabbit, rabbit. Excellent. Okay. Now, let's trace rabbit here. So starts with the letter R, then A, then double B like this, half circle on the right side, then we have I and T. So rabbit, rabbit. Now let's write it here. R, A, and A you can write it like this or like this. You can write A like this or like this. So R-A-B, again another B, I, then we have T. Rabbit. Let's write it for the last time. R, A, double B, then we have I and T. Rabbit. So let's say it together. Rabbit, rabbit, rabbit. Excellent. Okay. After the letter R, we have S. Okay. Can you tell me what is this? Yes, it's far away. Yes, it's sun. Excellent. So this is sun. Sun. Okay. So the letter S, we say it, we pronounce as sun. Sun. Excellent. Okay. Now let's trace S, and the letter S is between line number 2 and line number 3. Okay, so S, then we have U, and we have N. All the letters between 2 and 3, line number 2 and line number 3. Okay, let's write it here. So S, U, then we have N. Okay, again, S, U, N. Okay, for the last time, S, U, then N. Okay, now let's say it together. Sun, sun, sun. Excellent. Okay, now after S, we have this animal. This big animal starts with the letter T. Can you tell me what is this? T. Tiger. Excellent. So we have a tiger, tiger. So the letter T here, we say it as T, T, tiger, tiger. Okay, excellent. Now let's trace. So starting from line number 1 with the letter T up to line number 3. Okay, so after that we have I, G, E, then we have R. Okay, let's write it again. T, I, G, E, then we have R. Okay, let's write it one more time. T, I, G, E, then R. Okay, and the letter G here we pronounce as G, G, tiger, tiger, not tiger, tiger. Okay, let's say it together. Tiger, tiger, tiger. Excellent. Okay, now what you will learn today, you will read the letters U to Z and write these letters. Okay, let's start from the letter U. Okay, now open your books on page 89. 89, 89. Okay, open your books on page 89. Okay, now handwriting practice phonics keywords. Number 1, read and say. So first of all, we have this picture. What is this? Yes, you use it to cover your body from the rain or the sun. Okay, now can you tell me what is this? Starting from U, it's umbrella. Excellent. So we have umbrella, umbrella. Say it with me. Umbrella. Excellent. Okay, how to write the word umbrella? So starting with U between number 2 and number 3, like this. This is U in small form. After that, we have M. After that, B, starting from line number 1 up to line number 3. After that, R. Okay. And after R, we have E, double L. Okay. And then we have A. And A between 2 and 3. So this is umbrella. Now let's write it. So U, M, B, R, E, double L, and then we have A. So this is what? Umbrella, umbrella. Okay, so let's say it together. Umbrella, umbrella. Excellent. Okay, now after U, can you tell me what is the next letter here? U. Yes, we have V. And this is what? Vase, vase. V we pronounce as V, V, vase, vase. Excellent. Say it with me. Vase. That's right. So we have vase here. Let's trace the letter V. So V is between number 2 and number 3. V. Then we have A, S, then E. Vase. Now let's write it here. V, A, S, then E. Okay. All the letters between 2 and 3. Again, V, A, S, E. Okay. So this is what? Vase, vase. Let's write it for the last time here. V, A, S, then E. Now, say it with me. Vase, vase. Excellent. Okay. What after V? W. Excellent. Okay. Can you tell me what is this animal? Start with W, and W we pronounce as W. W. Okay. Can you tell me what is this? W. Wolf. Excellent. So we have wolf, wolf. Okay. So this is wolf. W here we say it, we pronounce as W. W. Okay. So we have wolf. Now let's trace the word wolf. W here is between number 2 and number 3. Okay, so W, O, L, then we have F, wolf. Now let's write it. So you can write W like this or like this. Okay, so you can write W like this or like this. Both are correct. Okay, then we have O, L, then F, wolf. Now let's write it again. W, O, and O is between what? Number 2 and number 3. Then L and F, wolf. Let's write it for the last time. W, O, L, and F. So we have a wolf. Wolf. Can you tell me in Arabic what does it mean, wolf? Dhib. Excellent. So we have a wolf. This is a wolf. Okay. So say it with me. Wolf. Wolf. Excellent. Okay. Now, after W, can you tell me what is after W? It's what? X. Excellent. So we have X. Okay. So now we have this animal and it ends with X. Ends, not start, ends with X. So this is a fox. Excellent. So we have a fox. Fox. Excellent. Okay, now let's trace F, O, then we have X between number 2 and number 3. Fox. Okay, let's write it here. F, O, then X. Okay, let's write it here again. F, O, and X. So say it with me. Fox. Fox. Excellent. Okay. After X, can you tell me what is after X? Yes, it's what? Y. Okay. What is this behind the house? This is a yard. Excellent. So we have a yard. So Y here is pronounced as yard. Okay. Let's trace. So we have Y here. 2 up to 4. A, R, then we have D. Yard. Let's write it again. Y, A, R, then we have D. Okay, for the last time. Y, A, R, then we have D. So we have yard. Yard. Excellent. After yard, we have the last letter here. Can you tell me what is this animal? Zebra. Excellent. Yes, this is a zebra. And this is the letter Z here or Z. You can say Z or Z. Both are correct. So this is zebra. How to trace? Starting from line number 2 up to line number 3 like this. And after that we have E, B, R, then we have A. Let's write it one more time. Z, E, B, R, A. Let's say it together. Zebra. Zebra. Excellent. Okay. What you've learned today, you've learned how to read the letters U to Z and write those letters. Okay. So this is the end of our lesson today. I hope you enjoy it. See you next time. Inshallah ta'ala. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.